Alright, this is a, I think this is a Dayton or a Hugger, unknown. I can't tell what this is an unknown 48-inch ceiling fan here at my aunt and uncle's house here in South Carolina here. I hope it works, because a second ago it didn't work, so. There we go. There we go. I'm trying to need to reverse him back. One of the light bulbs are burned out, so feels good. I gotta make this video quick. I can't tell what, I don't know the brand. Turn on high. And here it goes on high. Oh, that feels good. That fan feels good. Sorry I'm making these videos quick. I'm gonna spend time with my aunt and uncle that I just got here today, so I'm trying to do this in a hurry. Now I'm gonna turn the fan to low. That's low. Alright. Now I'm gonna turn the fan off. Alright, and that's it for right now.